Welcome to Next Level Digital Marketing. Today, we're diving into the world of makeup brushes. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, the right tools can make all the difference in your beauty routine. From achieving a flawless base to creating intricate eye looks, the right brushes are essential. So let's explore the must-have brushes that will elevate your makeup game to the next level. Stay tuned to elevate your beauty skills. We'll break down each brush's purpose, how to use it effectively, and tips for maintaining your brushes to ensure they last. Whether you're looking to perfect your foundation application or master the art of contouring, we've got you covered. And learn about makeup brushes that will transform your routine. Let's start with the foundation brush. A good foundation brush is key to achieving a smooth, even base. It helps blend the product seamlessly into your skin, giving you that airbrushed finish. Look for a brush with densely packed bristles for the best results. Use the concealer brush to apply and blend product under your eyes, erasing dark circles and fine lines effortlessly. This brush is typically smaller and more precise, allowing you to target specific areas without disturbing the rest of your makeup. It's also great for spot concealing blemishes and redness, erasing dark circles and fine lines effortlessly. Next, let's talk about the powder brush. This brush is perfect for setting your makeup with a translucent powder. Its large, fluffy bristles ensure an even distribution of product, giving you a matte, airbrushed look that lasts all day. Tame those brows and separate lashes effortlessly with this essential grooming tool. An eyebrow brush is a must-have for keeping your brows in shape. It helps you apply brow powder or pomade with precision, and the spoolie end is perfect for blending and grooming. For your lashes, a lash comb can help separate and define each lash, giving you a clump-free finish. Evenly spread translucent powder across your face for a matte, airbrushed look. This step is crucial for setting your makeup and controlling shine throughout the day. A good powder brush will pick up just the right amount of product and distribute it evenly across your skin. Effortlessly apply highlighter for that radiant glow. A highlighter brush is typically small and tapered, allowing you to apply the product precisely where you want it. Use it on the high points of your face, such as your cheekbones, brow bones, and the bridge of your nose for a luminous finish. Perfect for cheekbones and your cupid's bow. Highlighting these areas can give your face a lifted, youthful appearance. Don't forget to blend well to avoid any harsh lines. Blend your eyeshadow seamlessly for a professional look. An eyeshadow blending brush is essential for creating smooth transitions between colors. It helps you achieve that soft, diffused look that's perfect for both everyday wear and more dramatic looks. Create chiseled cheekbones and a defined jawline with this contouring essential. A contour brush is typically angled, making it easy to apply product precisely where you need it. Use it to sculpt and define your features, adding depth and dimension to your face. Achieve that airbrushed foundation. Finish with this multi-purpose brush. This brush can be used for both liquid and powder foundations, making it a versatile addition to your collection. Its dense bristles help blend the product seamlessly into your skin, giving you a flawless finish. Apply liquid and cream foundations effortlessly for a smooth, flawless look. The right brush can make all the difference in your foundation application, helping you achieve a natural, even finish without streaks or patches. Define your lips and fill in color flawlessly for that bold look. A lip brush allows for precise application of lipstick or gloss, helping you achieve a clean, defined edge. It's also great for blending different shades together for a custom color. Craft the perfect wing or precise under eye lines with this must-have brush. An eyeliner brush is typically small and angled, making it easy to create sharp, clean lines. Whether you're going for a subtle look or a bold cat eye, this brush is essential. Don't miss out on expert advice and trending beauty hacks. Following the right techniques and using the right tools can significantly improve your makeup application. Stay updated with the latest trends and tips from beauty experts to keep your skills sharp. Subscribe to Next Level Digital Marketing and take your skills to new heights. By subscribing, you'll gain access to exclusive content, tutorials, and product reviews that will help you stay ahead in the beauty game. Don't miss out on the opportunity to learn from the best and continuously improve your makeup skills.